If you are a teenager, how do you make money? Maybe it's difficult for you to get a job.
To boost your income, learn to become from someone who has done the thing that you want, son. To boost your income, learn to become from someone who has done the thing that you want, son. So today, let's learn how to make money as a teenager with Dan Lok.
If you are a teenager, how do you make money? Maybe it's difficult for you to get a job. Maybe it's difficult for you to, you're not even legally ready to get a job. Here are a couple of things you can do. One, work to learn, don't work to earn. Don't get a job just to make a quick buck or make a few dollars. Pick a career, pick something where you can learn. You can develop your skill, you can acquire some knowledge. Better yet, pick someone that you can learn from, work under that person. Find a mentor, be an apprentice, be an intern. Doesn't matter, you are learning. You're working to learn, not just to earn, because all those skill sets, if you learn from the right person, those would be extremely valuable to you when you are building your own thing or when you decide to pursue a certain career. So don't just say, hey, I want to make some money, I want to make some money. A person like that never makes money. Calm the down and say, you know what? Hey, this is the path I like. Maybe you want to pursue something in the entertainment industry. Maybe you want to pursue something in the digital marketing industry. It doesn't matter. You pick something, you pick someone that is good, find a mentor, learn from that person. The second thing you can do as a teenager is, if you want to make money, pick a skill where you are getting paid based on results, not by how old you are. I'll give you a perfect example. When I was getting started in my early 20s, I was doing consulting for people, right? As a marketing consultant, and I was writing copy. I was doing different businesses, and people always say to me, "You got to understand, I kind of have a little baby face, right? I still look relatively young, right? I'm 37 years old now, and at the time, I look like I'm 20 something. I look like 19 or 20, and all the people, the business people I was dealing with, they all say, "Oh, you're too young. You're too young for this. You're too young for this." I'm like, okay, so I'm too young for this. So no one ever tells you when is the right age, right? So when is it not too young? Is it 25? Is it 28? Is it 30? No one can answer that question. Isn't it funny? Now suddenly, you're too young, and you're too young. One day you wake up, people tell you that you're too old. You're too old to get started. You're too old to start your own business. You're too old to pursue your passion. What the Too young, and suddenly you are too old. Then when the hell is the right time? No one can give you the answer. So that's nothing more than an excuse. Don't use your age as an excuse. Use that as your advantage. So if you're young, maybe you're 17 years old. You are phenomenal with social media. Maybe you're phenomenal with Instagram. You know how YouTube works, or you know how Facebook works. You know how some of these social media works. Maybe you know coding. Whatever you're good at, because that's your skill, that's your intelligence. Offer that to the marketplace. Or as someone who's young, you understand how young people think. You understand how young people buy. Well, use that skill to help companies. Use that skill to help entrepreneurs in exchange of money. Charge them for that. So they don't look at that as your weakness. They look at that, yeah, I'm hiring you because you're young, because you understand how young people work, because you understand the latest, greatest technology. Great. That's great. That you can do. And that's how you make money as a teenager.
If you want to learn how to make $3,000 a month as a teenager, check out the video right there next to me. I think you'll enjoy it. Continue to believe, and I'll see you there.
If I was 14 years old today, I would be making a minimum $2,000 to $3,000 a month.